79% of Gen Zs are burnt out on dating apps. 86% of adults under 25 are single. And 63% of them already paying you a monthly membership. Your gym is the best dating venue in town. You're just not charging for it. Think about what you actually built. A room for fit, motivated, single people who show up, firstly, voluntarily at 5:30 in the morning. Tinder has algorithms and you have a barbell. And I need to be honest, the barbell wins every time. Dating apps are dying and the numbers are brutal. Tinder lost nearly 600,000 users in a single year. Bumble lost 368,000. An entire generation swiped right on digital dating. And first, I had to go look up what swipe right means, so just keep that in mind. But they decided it was exhausting and walked away. They are not finding love on their phones. They are just finding disappointment. And the sad part is that they're paying a monthly subscription fee for the privilege just to get disappointed. Meanwhile, the same generation, the same time period, they are showing up at your gym in record numbers. The highest participation of any generation in history. Here's a reality. 25% of Gen Zs prefer group classes. Not because of the programming exceptional. It's nothing about programming or workout style. It's because they want to be around people. They came to you for a workout and they stay because they're lonely. You just haven't figured out how to turn that into a business yet. And here's the proof. It isn't just a theory. Hyrox, 750,000 athletes globally, recently partnered up with a dating app to run blind date mixed doubles events across America. Singles paired with strangers at the start line. Applications nearly closed instantly. The concept sold itself, and we can see it by the generation and the dating trends. Now, I'm not saying your gym is Hyrox, but what this tells you is simple. People are desperate to meet people, and the gym floor is already the best place to do it. You just need to give them the format. And here's 3 formats you can run this month with no budget or no marketing agency needed. Number 1, blind date doubles. A mini competition, random partners assigned at the door. No one comes with the partners specifically for singles. That's the rule. Charge an entry fee. Run it monthly. And the only downside, especially if you're a guy, is that you might be paired with a girl that's much stronger than you, which, depending on how you look at it, could also be an highlight. Number 2, single partner workouts. Dedicated classes on your timetable. Everyone in the room is single. Everyone gets a random assigned partner. This is not a race. There's no prize. It's just a workout where the social dynamics already set before everyone walks in. And the third idea you can try out is after dark sessions. This is evening workout, limited capacity, 30 minutes of social time after. The music stays on. Charge for it. This one's about community, not competition. And I'll link a full workbook on how to structure and price each one of these. The reason why this matters is commercially, revenue. And here are the real numbers. One blind date double event a month. Let's say we do 30 people at 400 Rand a head. That's 12,000 Rand for one event. Let's take the after dark sessions at 300 Rand. That gives us 9,000 Rand. One single partner workout at 200 Rand. That gives us 6,000 Rand. That's 27,000 Rand a month, 324,000 Rand a year from 3 sessions that didn't exist on your timetable before. From 3 sessions that didn't exist on your timetable before retention lifts, before word of mouth marketing, before a new single membership has been sold, you have built 324,000 Rand worth of revenue. Now, the second thing why this is important is retention. A member with a training partner doesn't cancel. A member who made their social circle at the gym doesn't cancel. A member genuinely embedded into your community who feels like they're losing something real by leaving does not cancel. The large chains cannot create that feeling at scale. You can. This is your moat. Hyrox saw the opportunity and built a global product around it and sold out applications in weeks. You didn't need their scale. You have something they don't. A room where everybody already knows each other. Give your members a reason to stay after the workout ends. Because right now, almost all of them go home, open up an app, and start swiping. You could have been the better option. Don't let them swipe, please. And look, I'll be completely honest on why I want you to run with this. It's not just because I think it's a great opportunity. I have personally known a few incredible people who desperately needs a training partner and needs someone that they can call their special person. So please, ladies and gents, if you own a gym, just get moving for all of us, for all the singles out there, make a difference. I think this is a great opportunity and you can change someone's life. You can build revenue, you can retain members, and you can change someone's lives. So get moving for all of us.